Hi everybody, it's Nibelle from East Coast Mummy, and with the new Hocus Pocus 2 movie coming out, I was inspired to come up with some new DIYs and treat ideas. So let's get started. First up is an adorable idea using this wooden cutout from the dollar store. It had a hole in it to hang it up, so I filled that with a bit of wood filler and I removed the price tag. Then I grabbed some dollar store craft paint and gave it a good coat on both sides of black paint. At this point, you could leave the cat plain, but I have a cricket, so I decided to make a decal that said Thackeray Binks Candy Company, established 1693. I thought that would be super cute and go really well with my Hocus Pocus theme. At this point, I decided I needed a bit of color, so I used my Cricut to cut out a couple of orange paw prints, and I added them to my cat too. For the candy tray part of this DIY, I used a dollar store sign that I had DIY'd before I painted it white. I added some wooden beads to the bottom and a bit of ribbon around the outside. Then I grabbed some hot glue, put it on the feet of the cat, and secured it to the inside of the tray. I finished this candy dish by filling it with foil covered chocolates in orange and black and purple that I found at the dollar store. And that was it for this project. I think it turned out super cute. In fact, I think it's my favorite in this video. Let me know what you think. Next up is my take on the Book of Spells from Hocus Pocus. I had this fake leather in my stash, so I used it to cover a book. If you don't have something like this, you could cover it in plain paper, or you could paint it brown. I also added some brown paint to the inside of the book, any part that you would be able to see when the book was closed. And here's what the finished covered book looks like. The next thing I did was grab one of those plastic eyeballs from the dollar store, and I used an X-Acto knife to cut it in half, and then I used some hot glue to attach it to the front cover of the book. I also used the hot glue around the outside of the eyeball to make it extra secure, and I used the glue to make a bit of an eyelid. Then I used the hot glue to make some details on the book. I looked up online a picture of the spell book just to use as a bit of a guide, but I wasn't too fussy about it. I just had fun with it. I drew some lines and I turned some of them into little scars by adding cross lines. Just have fun with it, and it doesn't have to be perfect. And here's what my spell book looked like when I was finished. I let the glue dry, and then I used some brown paint to cover up all the glue. And here's what the book looked like when I was finished. I let it dry completely and I was done. A movie night needs a special treat, so I decided to make hot chocolate for my boys in Hocus Pocus mugs. I found these black mugs at the dollar store, and I made some Hocus Pocus decals in purple, green, and orange using my Cricut, and I added them to the mugs. And I think they turned out really, really sweet. I also decided to make a chocolatey treat to go with our hot chocolate. I took some Reese's peanut butter cups, set them on a tray. I took some orange icing and squirted a little bit on top of each peanut butter cup. And then I added a chocolate kiss to the top. And that was how easy it was to make little witch hat chocolates. I had these little pennants left over from a banner I made for another party. So when I found these gold glittery letters at the dollar store, I thought I would make a banner for my Hocus Pocus movie night. I flipped over to the blank side of my pennants and I added the stickers. Then I grabbed some twine and a little plastic needle that I have to string through the letters. If you don't have a plastic needle, you can put a little bit of tape on the end to make the threading easier. And that was it for this project. I really love how easy this was and how much fun it adds to our decor. And here's a peek at all the projects together. I think these projects are so cute, and I can't wait to watch the new Hocus Pocus 2 movie with my family. Let me know your favorite project in the comments below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you haven't already, please, please, please hit that subscribe button so you don't miss out on any more of my fun content. And if you're looking for more Hocus Pocus fun, I will leave links to this broom parking project and these tiered tray DIYs. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time. Bye.